Hello, and welcome to another update on Ethereum. We take a look at the shorter time frame here for Ethereum, the bigger picture, not affected at all. And yeah, we start to see a bounce here from the Thursday low. Overall, still ranging in the same price area, I would say. The price has not been able to break below any of the previous support levels. So we're still printing, as you can see, higher highs and higher lows. So that still keeps the door open for higher. Earlier today, I already added a wave count for another upside extension to the chart. That's just to show you, how it would unfold if we get a break above resistance. I'm fairly neutral about whether we get that extension. It does look fairly positive today for altcoins. When we look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, then it likely started a bit of a pullback. So naturally, you would expect altcoins to go up a little bit. That includes Ethereum. So there shouldn't be any surprise. If you keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance, then it basically tells you a lot about the sector. So we can just briefly take a look at Bitcoin dominance here. Yesterday's Bitcoin video, I showed it. And highlighted a B-wave pullback is due at some point now. That B-wave pullback might have started. So we talk here about, a local move to the downside, which means the altcoins seem to be outperforming today. So Ethereum is pushing higher, okay, while Bitcoin is basically just grinding sideways. Overall, I see it. There are two scenarios we can track, and we are tracking. One is a direct move to the upside, which would be an extension, but only valid as some kind of a diagonal pattern. And honestly, it is super messy. There are many ways how this could be labeled. But bottom line is, once we get a break above 2,703, I'm going to watch for 2,775 and 2,911 as the next upside levels to be reached. This is Fibonacci resistance between $2,602 and $2,703. If we see any break in upside momentum, any slowdown in upside momentum in this area, then it might start or might indicate the start of wave C. So we're now at a key spot. And it takes a break below the red line, the dotted red line at 2,410, really as a first indication that we have started a larger pullback and that the market indeed has topped. Because as long as we are holding that level and as long as we are printing higher highs and higher lows, there's really nothing I can do here to confirm a top. Okay, it would be too early. I'm watching for a top, but that's different, right? So yeah, that's what we're tracking at the moment on the Ethereum short-term chart here. Please note that if we get further upside extensions, it would likely be in some kind of an ending diagonal pattern. So pretty messy price action here, but I think the easiest way to describe it is that the first indication for a top would come with a break below that $2,410 level. That swing low from the 12th of May. That would be the earliest signal for a top. A better signal is a break below $2,272. Until we really break below any of these levels, the market can form further upside extensions. Ultimately, what I still think would look best from the current price region, but that does not exclude the option of another high, is a pullback in a B wave over the coming weeks or so. At the moment, the support area for that B wave is between $1,601 and $2,110. Yeah, that's the update on Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.